The House of Representatives don yarn the federal government to sharply engage the Republic of Benin over the blockade wey dey for Tabera border inside Baruten local government area for Kwara State. The blockade wey start on May 6, 2025 don stop people, goods and services from moving freely, affecting businesses and trade for the area. Honorable Mohammed Bayo wey raise the matter come talk say the blockade don scatter one important farming trade route wey concern Naija and Benin and say e dey stop the movement of key products like cashew and soybean. The House come order the relevant authorities to investigate the matter and report back within 4 weeks.
Concern that the blockage is making life unbearable for people. This may force them to cause breach of law and others. Also concerned that the blockade poses a significant strain on bilateral relations and ECOWAS trade cooperation with Nigeria and Republic of Benin, which Nigeria and Republic of Benin are parties to.
For another resolution, the House also beg say make the authorities release 18 people wey see pirates kidnap for Billy and Bonny waterways for Rivers State without any conditions. Honorable Hart Siri wey bring the urgent matter come talk say insecurity don dey increase and e remind them of one March attack wey one person kpai even after dem pay ransom. The House come also yarn the Inspector General of Police to send gunboats and security houseboats to protect the waterways and then come ask the Committee on Navy and Police to ensure proper action dey taken.
Any threat to lives on the sea route means a total shutdown of economic activities in those communities.
Honorable Tanko.
Worried that the pirates kidnapped 18 persons from Billy and Bonny communities.
Order, please. Honorable Tanko.
And made away with cargo boats conveying food supplies and properties worth millions of naira, which significantly impacts the local economy and jeopardizes the livelihood of the people of Billy and Bonny.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.